Ahoy, friends! Today we're learning about animal noises. Come along! Ahoy, friends! Welcome back to the adventures of Captain Jay and Tiki. Ha-ha! We've got a great adventure for you today. Braden, say hi.
Hi.
And Ursula.
Hi.
Excellent! Today we're going to be playing a little game and learning about animal noises, actually. You know, different animals make different noises. So we've got some cards here, and I'm going to go like this, and we're going to have Braden pick the first card. Braden, pick one of these cards. Anyone is fine. Just anyone. Which one? That one! Ooh, what's that word? We've got cat. C-A-T. What kind of noise does a cat make?
Meow.
Meow! Ursula, go for it. Let's be cats together. Ready? Meow! 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 All right. Nice work. Ursula, you got the next one. Pick another one. Oh, that one. What's that one?
Dog.
No, this says bird. B-I-R-D. What kind of noise does a bird make? Tweet, 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 tweet. Tiki, can you say tweet, tweet? Tweet, 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 tweet. Braden, where's your bird noise? Tweet, tweet. All right. I'm going to pick one. Oh, a good one. A lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Roar. Roar. Wait, what if we're baby lions? What do those make? Excellent. Braden, pick another card. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my favorite. M-O-N-K-E-Y. The monkey. Are we monkeys? Oh, yeah. Sorry. We're playing a game, aren't we? All right, let's carry on now. Ursula, what's next? Which one will we pick? Oh, this one is very fun. It's the bee. B-E-E. Bzzz, with a little stinger in me. Sting. Bzzz, bzzz, getting some honey. Bzzz. All right, throw that card. I'm going to pick one. What's this one? Oh, the old sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. What does sheep say? Bah.
Bah.
Bah. Bah. Excellent work. Next. We're almost done. How many more we got, Braden? Pick one. One more each, and then we are, this game is afoot. A foot. A pig! Braden picked pig. P-I-G, pig.
It's kind of like snoring.
It is like snoring. Oh, Ursula picked hers. What do we have here? Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Let's hear your roosters. Right. All right, now I'm going to pick one. Let's see. How about this one here? Oh, the elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Woo! It's a lot of work being an elephant. All right, Braden, last one. Oh, he's got the wolf. W-O-L-F. Ursula, which one will it be?
Which one's the one?
Which one? There's these two. Pick one. Hurry up.
Doggy.
Doggy. Dog. D-O-G. Ew, gross. And I've got the last one, which is a cow. C-O-W, cow.
Baby cow.
Baby cow? Moo, today, folks. That was all of our animals. Until next time, we'll see ya. Bye. Ahoy! Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you don't want to miss another one, hit the subscribe button below. And don't forget, Captain Jay's here every week on Wednesdays with a new episode for you. If you want more Captain Jay, check out my book, Captain Jay and the Misfit Crew. It's available online on Barnes & Noble, Amazon, and Wordery.com. We'll see you next time. Bye!